Did you recently start working remotely? Have no idea about technology? Yes, I need help. I'm working from home now. Do you want to start a YouTube channel and haven't gotten a camera yet? It has that cool minted feel. And yes, I need a new camera. How about upgrading your current camera for your stream? Okay, you got my attention now. Well, you're in luck, because I got one just for you coming right up. The unboxing of the 1080p Pro Stream webcam by Logitech. I have the previous versions, the C910 I think, and I decided, well, you know what, let's go for an upgrade. We got the Pro Stream webcam. We got the these are the features: the flexible full HD webcam that goes beyond built-in. As small, agile, and adjustable. It brings a whole new angle to video streaming, and it has it in different languages. What's inside the box? You know, the camera and some instructions. Here's some more features. It has full HD 1080p video, and it records at 30 frames per second. You get automatic light correction. And then you have stereo audio with dual mics, which is pretty cool. Apparently this is the top brand, I think. Anyway, it works and it's compatible with AVEC and also XB Split, OBS for your streamers out there, just like myself. Draconis 271. Alright, well, let's check this out. Let's see what's inside. I already took off the little flap there. So, actually, I thought I did. You know what? It was probably the bottom one. Ah. Alright, so let's open it from the bottom. Let's see what we got here. Cardboard. Alright, just toss that to the side. On this tab, you got your camera. Oh look, it has a little mounting part there. There's nothing in there. Nope. Okay. So yeah, this is the camera right here. I'm a stickler when it comes to these plastic things, so I will be leaving it on. That's a nice smooth plastic texture. This right here is like a rubber pad, which is really nice. This unfolds like this. Okay, just like the other one. And looks like, yeah, it has some kind of footing right here, which is pretty cool. I don't know how with that. Oh, I guess when you attach it to your monitor, the front of the monitor goes here, and the inside here has this rubber protection along with these rubber feet on the sides, on top of, well, at the bottom of the camera. So when it fits onto your monitor, it fits like that, and it won't damage or scratch your monitor. Yeah, overall it's a nice quality there. You got your cable coming out, and this is just a regular USB cable. Let me see. It doesn't say anything special about it. So this has been the unboxing of the Logitech HD camera, a 1080p Pro Stream webcam. I got it in Walmart. It was only about 60 something bucks, 68 bucks with tax. So not a bad deal. Go check it out if you want an upgrade or you need just a simple cam to get you going on your streams. This should be it. I need one. Please.